there, Christina, Houston Realty Team. Just wanted to give you a quick reminder about your home maintenance this last quarter. Very important home maintenance checklist kind of information. I'll also attach PDF at the bottom of this video. Anyway, don't forget you need to check your HVAC filters, your air conditioning and heating. Don't forget you need to also check your hood range filter. These are things that people always forget about, and they help keep up the maintenance, plus the smells in the house. Don't forget to inspect all water areas. So sometimes people have areas in which they don't get to often. So you want to check for flushing, any type of leaks under sinks. Don't forget extra water areas, showers, tubs. When you're doing that, you also want to look for the grout and the caulking. You want to be sure you walk the whole house. Be sure that everything is free of any type of leaks. That includes going up into your attic. Some people have your hot water heaters up there. So you want to be sure you're checking your overflow to be sure that there's no water in that. You also want to check your smoke detectors and, excuse me, your monoxide detectors. You want to change those batteries yearly. Don't forget to clean your disposal, your garbage disposal, baking soda, some citrus, some ice cubes, run it through there. It'll clean it all up. Don't also forget to inspect your hoses on the washing machine and your dishwasher, your ice maker. Those are also areas you need to check for leaks. Check your water softeners and add salt if needed. Don't forget you want to run and flush unused areas monthly. You want to do that. I know I kind of keep talking about that, but it's super important. Leaks are the biggest problems throughout history when it comes to homes, and they cause the most amount of damage, mold, deterioration, all types of things. Anyway, it's time to go ahead and start thinking about your area. Is it time to start cleaning up the back patio, getting the covers ready for the outdoor seating, get your storage areas ready? Don't also forget about your outdoor faucets. Are you prepared for any type of freezing that may come? Now, we live in the Houston southern part in Galveston County, so we get about 15 days of winter, but never in a row down here, so I love that. Anyway, you also want to be sure to remove the lint from your dryer. That's a big, big deal, guys. So many people don't even think about that. You want to do it every single time you finish using the dryer. Or if that doesn't do it for you, every time you put stuff back in, pull it and clean it. It's also time to clean the carpets. You want to be sure you're doing that throughout the whole house. That'll help keep everything nice and sanitary and clean for you. You know, carpet really can impact your breathing, asthma issues, and whatnot. Also, this time of year, you want to remove the shower head, clean it of sediments. You can soak it in CLR, a little bleach water. That'll clean it right up. You also want to check for your gutters outside to be sure they're prepared if you've got any leaks and whatnot. And then also check your fire extinguishers. Just a quick list of things to look at for this last fourth quarter maintenance that's coming, that just started in October. Anyway, Christina Osborne, Houston Realty Team, give us a call if you need anything. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Okay, bye.